Yo, what is going on, guys? Many of you have been asking for an updated video to show you how to get free Nintendo gift card codes. So I'm going to show you how to get a Nintendo eShop code for free. You can get $100, I believe it is, and this uses a digital code you can redeem in the eShop. So yeah, guys, these obviously are pretty expensive if you want enough to purchase a game. So I'm going to show you how to get some free gift card codes for Nintendo, and yeah, it's gonna basically save you a bunch of money. So it only takes a few minutes. What you're going to want to do is just use your mobile phone internet browser, and you've got to head on over to this website to obtain your Nintendo eShop digital code, www.crashcoupons.com. So highly recommend you do this on your mobile phone. It makes the process a lot quicker and easier. And head on over to this Crash Coupons site. This is basically a coupon website, guys, and you need to search in the search bar where it says search here, Nintendo eShop, this page here, guys. And what you're going to want to do now is scroll down and look for the $100 gift card. This is a free Nintendo eShop code that's going to supply you with $100 balance into your account. Super easy, and $100 is probably enough for a couple of games. So yeah, this is pretty awesome, considering games are really expensive now. So you need to unlock your Nintendo eShop code. That basically prevents people taking 600 plus codes. So it does limit one code per person. So click on get full code, and you're going to be brought to this page where it tells you what you need to do. Essentially, guys, I did this earlier and it took me about 5 to 10 minutes. You just need to complete 2 of the free app or survey offers below to unlock your code. So basically, you're going to have a list of mobile applications, mobile games, and surveys. They're all completely free. It's just very important you do follow the instructions below each of them, because that tells you basically what you need to do, guys. So fully complete 2 of them. Take your time. Like I said, it's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes, and it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your free Nintendo gift card code will be revealed. So you redeem it in the eShop, and that one is going to get you $100. So that is the fastest, quickest, and easiest method to get free Nintendo gift cards in 2026. Go to Crash Coupons. Any questions, let me know, guys. Make sure you do like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.